like this.
Let me swing into the scene like a monkey do, tryna make a point real bad like I run and shoot. Dated a lot of girls, but I'm married to my money, boo. So why you tryna trip with me like this our honeymoon? I am sitting comfy, cozy, chill demeanor, Humphrey Bogey. Seat up with my feet up and my niggas in a bunch of stogies. Light them up in the gamer chamber, they call it my lair. Bitches in they bikini bottoms, cause I am such a square. Yeah, the life I live don't ever bore me. Indian reservation, it comes with the territory. They wanna hear my story, how my name ringing Motowns like Barry Gordy, but they ignore me. So I flew up to this planet I call Aquaria, a place where any nigga with street cred will be wary of. Thought it was a bad choice, like getting very young, but it was very fun. Now all of a sudden they is telling me that like Happy Gilmore, even if niggas still score, they going par 4, cause they had to still put it. I'm making banks like Uncle Phil's mother. They think that I'm afraid to reach my peak, but I got that hill covered. The difference between us is that he'll love her, he'll trust her, and wife her, I will still fuck her. Like a car salesman, and I'm making it happen off of y'all's failed plan. Cause I'm bringing it back to when niggas could really rap, while y'all fuck up the tracks like derailed trams. When I go over your head like Flint